Hi students, like promised, I'm going to show you how to access your Clever account in case you forgot how to do it. Okay, so the first step you need to do is log on to the internet. You can use your computer, your tablet, your iPad, your parents' phone, whatever it may be. So once you get on the internet, I want you to click on the browser, clear it out with the delete button on your keyboard, and write clever.com and click and press enter on your keyboard. Okay. Once you press enter, you're going to see a page very similar to this. From here, I want you to click on the blue button on the top right corner. This is log in as a student. Click on it. And then I want you to click on the button that says log in with Google. From here, you're going to see a page very similar to mine. You won't see my emails on your page because my emails are saved onto my computer. But what I want you to click on is where it says use another account or log into an account. So click on that. Here is where you're going to be putting your email that I sent to your parents in case you guys forgot your emails. For this, I'm going to be using Jaden's email because hopefully that's okay, Jaden. The reason for that is because I want you guys to see a student's account because a teacher's account looks differently than a student. So enter your email. Okay. Click on next. Here I want you to enter your password. Your password, it's super important that you type it in exactly the way I sent it to your parents on Dojo. So your password is your first name with the first letter of your name being capitalized. Then it's the last letter of the first letter of your last name, and that also has to be capitalized. And then your birth date. So make sure you copy it exactly. There's no spaces, but make sure that the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name is capitalized, or else it won't work. This little button right here with the eyeball, if you click on it, it'll show you your password. It won't show your dots in case you want to make sure you typed it incorrectly. So I don't want to show you Jaden's password. So if let's say I want to make sure if I spelled my wrote my password or typed in my password correctly, I'll just click on this and I'll show the password and I'll be like, oh, that's not correct. And then I could delete it and fix it. But because I don't want you guys to see Jaden's password, I'm going to hide that. Let me type it in correctly. I have it written here. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, let's see if I typed it in correctly. Alrighty, I am in. I typed it in correctly. From here, this is your Clever account. I want you to go to my page. So click on D. Rodarte's page. From here, you have access to all of our resources that I have loaded for you guys. You guys can use Imagine Math Facts. You guys can use iReady. You guys can use Gmail. You guys can use Yoo-Hoo. I'll be sending out your Yoo-Hoo passwords in a little bit because I want to see how you guys are feeling on a daily basis. These extra math and Wonderopolis, don't click on them just yet. I might actually remove them because you don't know what they are. But you can use Imagine Math Facts, you can use iReady, you can use Gmail, and you can use Mystery Science. You can use that right now. If you don't have a computer at home, you cannot, and you're only using your parents' phone or your phone, you cannot go on Imagine Math Facts or iReady. It doesn't work on a phone. You need a computer or an iPad or a tablet. Make sure you have your parents complete a survey that I put on Dojo. That's going to help the school know which parents don't have computers and hopefully provide that resource for you guys. What you can go on your phone if you don't have a computer is Mystery Science. So I want you to click on Mystery Science. And they have a mini lessons, and I want you guys to watch this mini lesson. It's on how does hand sanitizer kill germs. It's a 5-minute video, very interesting. So that's something you guys can do on your phone. You don't need a computer or a tablet or iPad for that. But Imagine Math Facts, you do need computer and iPad. iReady, you do need a computer or an iPad. So these are our resources. Later on, I'll be showing you guys how to use Gmail. I'll give you guys a little preview. This is your Gmail account. If you want to send Miss R a message, you could click on the plus button that says compose. And right here, you'll write my name. I'll do a video later on showing you how to send me an email. But for now, the main thing I want you guys to be able to do is go on Clever. So once again, to go on Clever, you go on your browser, you put clever.com, log in as a student, you enter your email and password, you go on my page, and I want you guys to be able to utilize these resources right now. Okay, go on Imagine Math Facts, go on iReady, go on Mystery Science, and I'll show you guys later on how to send me an email. Yeah, so hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Message me on Dojo. I'm happy to help. I miss you guys. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll be uploading more videos soon.